Subscribe our YouTube channel, follow our Facebook, visit our website.
Hi, good day. In this video, I will talk about how to process ad hoc bonus. When you want to pay yearly bonus to employee to split and to pay first before final payroll, there's two ways to do for ad hoc bonus. First, when you get the list of bonus, click into payroll, then look for open pending payroll. Double-click the money back of bonus. Under the pending bonus, update the bonus info accordingly, such as employee, description, and also for the bonus amount. Once you're done update accordingly, then save it. To process the ad hoc bonus, go to Payroll, New Payroll. Under the New Payroll, click here to process ad hoc bonus. Check the transaction posting for the year and also for the month. Insert the payroll transaction setting for the process date and the process period. Must be same date with the pending payroll for bonus. Take the contribution for the EPF, social, and PCB if you need it to be deducted directly when you process for ad hoc bonus. And as for the process option, click here to choose monthly fixed allowance pending payroll. And under the pending transaction, must take the option for bonus, then click OK. Click Process button to process for ad hoc bonus. Double-click the employee name to see the ad hoc bonus info. Then save it. And you are able to print out a payslip for ad hoc bonus. And now I will show you the other way to process ad hoc bonus before final payroll. From the new payroll, click here to process ad hoc bonus. Make sure all the date setting is correct, and also for the contribution setting. Now, we no need to input the bonus under the pending payroll. You may input the amount directly by choose the process option of bonus allowance to input your amount. Take bonus, click OK, then process. It will show out the employee list of your company. So to input the bonus amount, you may double-click the employee name and to input under the bonus column directly, then you save it. Same with the next employee. To input the bonus info, double-click the employee name, update under the bonus column for the amount, then save it, and you are able to print a payslip for the ad hoc bonus. That's all for today's topic. Thank you and have a nice day.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow our Facebook for the latest update, go to our website for reports and guides. It's so easy.